Hey guys, I've been using the Pixel tablet for the last 1 week, and in this video I want to talk about the top 5 features as well as the top 5 letdowns of this device and what you need to pay attention before spending $500 on this Android tablet. Even in Germany it's more expensive, it's 670 euros. Next to the Pixel tablet here I have also the Pixel Slate, which I use on a daily basis, and this device was also interesting. It was released in 2018 and it runs Chrome OS here. So Google decided to go with Android tablet and do not continue to produce Chrome OS 2-in-1s or laptops actually. So the question for me is that what Google learned in this 5 years from 2018 to 2023 right now to produce a device with Android tablet. So let's not waste time and start talking about the top 5 features and also the top 5 letdowns of this Android tablet. Let's start with the first feature of this device, and of course that's the software that is pre-installed on this Pixel tablet. It's a vanilla Android made by Google, and thanks to this Tensor G2 SoC built by Google, it is also really nice, smooth software experience. It's fast, it's perfect for searching the web, playing games, and also entertainment and watching some videos. And thanks to the aspect ratio that also it has 16:10, it's perfect for watching some content. Also, it has some nice software features. For example, you have the shelf gesture where you swipe up from the bottom of the screen, then you get the possibility to run another application, or you can do the two applications side by side. You can just drag and drop there and you can easily use the two applications side by side. You can also easily add multiple users to use this tablet. Of course, the highlight of this tablet is the speaker dock here. This device is literally a 2-in-1, being a smart display and also an Android tablet. And there is something satisfying with this dock and how the tablet attaches to it. It is something that I'm not used to it, and it feels, to be honest, really nice and really cool. You have the home hub features and also the speakers. They have a good sound and also they have enough bass to enjoy the music. You can also use the Bluetooth mouse and keyboard and do more works and be a little bit more productive. You can also set up a Bluetooth controller or a wired one, the way I have it here, to play some games, and it works quite well. The home hub is also really easy to launch. It's on the lock screen. You just touch it and there you have it. You can control all your smart devices. The third feature is the Chromecast. It is built in on this Pixel tablet, and when they announced this feature on the stage, I thought, okay, what am I going to use this feature on a tablet with 11-inch? But now that I have the Pixel tablet at home, I kind of see that there's one specific use case for me, and that's to stream music and use the speakers, which they have a nice sound and also a nice bass to listen to music and enjoy it. So here I have my Pixel 4. I can easily stream the music from the YouTube to the Pixel tablet and also use the speaker dock and the better sound and the better bass to enjoy the music. Let's talk about the fourth feature, and that's of course the hardware here. The Pixel tablet has the Tensor G2 processor. That makes the device really fast and really smooth. It's not the fastest, but for the most of the job that you're going to do with this device, it's enough. Also, it's a lightweight, it's less than 500 grams. It has a premium device. It has a coating on the back, so it doesn't feel like a metal. And also it has a reliable fingerprint scanner, so you can use it also to unlock your device, and it really works quite well. I was surprised how fast it was. The Pixel Slate, for example, doesn't have this fast, reliable fingerprint scanner. The last feature which I want to talk about here is the pen support. Pixel tablet works with USI 2.0 pens, and the one I have here is from Lenovo. I already made a video about this pen and how it works with Pixel tablet. Although Google didn't release any pen for Pixel tablet, but end users have some options already available, the pens from Lenovo or Lenovo. And with time, this selection will be even more and users will have more options to choose from. Let's now talk about the top 5 letdowns of the Pixel tablet. Of course, here I'm comparing the Pixel tablet to the Chrome OS tablets or iPads or Samsung devices, or also the Windows Surface Pro devices. The first problem is the software. The Pixel tablet and the Android software here doesn't have any desktop level applications, and many mobile apps are also not optimized for Android tablets. So if you open Twitter or like Instagram, you will get so many black bars on the sides and you will not enjoy using these applications. Of course, Google developed its own applications to work good with the Pixel tablet, but majority of the users will use also other applications. The multitasking is not also even close to what you get with the Samsung DeX or Chromebook tablets. Even iPad has a better multitasking with the Stage Manager. So this device is not made for productivity. Of course, this is a software problem and Google can improve that with the future updates. The second issue is the screen and its refresh rate. Unfortunately, the tablet has only 60 Hz refresh rate, and that's a little bit below the standard for 2023 and for a tablet that costs $500. This also affects the smoothness of the tablet, and also you realize that especially when you're browsing the web or you are going to the app drawer or you're going to the settings, you're scrolling down and up and you realize that okay, there is a slightness of the lag there, especially if you're used to the 90 Hz or 120 Hz screens. The third issue is the speaker dock. The speaker dock has no Bluetooth or VLAN connectivity. That means that if you want to play music with your phone on the speaker dock, you cannot do that unless you use the Chromecast, and that means that the tablet should be attached to the speaker dock. That somehow fixed the issue, but that's not the solution here. I wish that Google included the Bluetooth possibility and or VLAN possibility on this speaker dock. But that's not the only issue with the speaker dock. Another problem with the speaker dock is that if you want to connect the USB-C device on the USB-C port on the side and use it, for example, here I have external drive here, it doesn't work at the same time with the speakers. That means that you have to choose between one of them. And also there's a notification here asking if you want to use this accessory. If you do that, you will not be able to use the speaker here. The fourth problem is the accessories and the limitations that it comes with it. The Pixel tablet has no keyboard cover. Google didn't also announce a pen for the Pixel tablet. And most probably it will never be like Apple or Samsung tablets that they have tons of accessories that you can use it with. Maybe in near future, Google will announce a keyboard cover and also a pen for the Pixel tablet, but then maybe it's too late. And the last problem is the screen output and support for the external monitors. I tried it with a USB-C monitor with HDMI cable, it didn't work. Maybe Google can solve this issue with the software updates, or you can use the display link adapter. I want to also talk about the three features which are not good, which are not also bad, so it's just in the mid-range, I would say. The first one is the screen. I already talked about it. The screen quality is good, but it's not close to what Apple iPad or Samsung has with their tablets. And I prefer actually a little bit the Pixel Slate screen here compared to the Pixel tablet. The second feature is the camera. The quality of the cameras are mediocre, I would say. It's not a Surface Pro's front camera, but it's enough for the video calls. Also, the rear camera is also good to scan some documents or take some photos if you want that. The last feature which I want to talk about are the speakers. They are not the best sounding speaker. They are lacking the bass. It's not that enjoyable to listen to music, but for watching content, actually it's enough. And the speakers are not in the same level as iPad. On the other hand, the speaker dock sounds good and it has a decent bass. I said at the beginning of the video that this device is a 2-in-1, but not the conventional 2-in-1 that many of us are used to, where Apple and Samsung are trying to move their tablets in the direction of being a laptop with keyboard support and better multitasking features. Google went a little bit a different direction. They chose a smart display as their secondary function. And this can attract some new customers, but I think for many people and many users, also including me, it makes the tablet usage a little bit limited. For the same exact reason I chose Chromebook tablets over Android tablets. I wanted more than just a tablet, and after using the Pixel tablet, I still stand by my decision. The Pixel tablet cannot be your only device, unless Google brings some software magic and fix this problem in future. Between Pixel tablet and Pixel Slate, I will still choose the Pixel Slate for my usage. It is much slower compared to the Pixel tablet. But I think the question is the operating system. The Chrome OS gives me the more productivity which I need. And if I want to have a better sounding speakers, I can just get a Bluetooth or wireless speaker and use the Bluetooth to stream the music. And I wish that Google didn't give up on the Chrome OS and release the Pixel tablet with the Chrome OS with Tensor G2 processor. That would be really good. So that was my review of the Pixel tablet. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and catch you guys in the next one.